Hello, welcome back to another awesome video of Ethan LiQWYD, and today I'm going to be learning how to shoot a coin like Hawkeye.
Pull a bolt. Oh, you gotta show me how you just did that.
If you guys want to follow along at home, then the tutorial is by LiQWYD, and it's called How to Shoot a Coin with a Snap of Your Finger tutorial.
So the grip you do is you're gonna hold it with your dominant thumb, and I want it just slightly off to this side. So not directly in the middle, a little off to the side. Okay, then my snapping finger, my middle finger, I'm gonna put just like the corner or like half of my finger over it. You see that? I don't have my whole finger over it. It's gonna make it flip. I'm gonna snap my fingers this way, and it's gonna make it flip out like that. And the harder you snap your fingers, the harder it'll fling, because it's just that force that it creates. It'll create a centrifugal force and just freaking dart out of your hand.
So he said to hold the penny like this, I think, and then put your snapping finger, for me it's my middle finger, on top. And then I think that if I snap, it's just gonna go down. Yeah. So if I aim it like this, it's gonna go down. So if I aimed it like this, for scientific reasons, sure enough, it went up.
Okay, so it's almost like you're trying to make it slip at the same time. So that's basically what you're doing. If you're holding it in your thumb, what you're doing is as it's here, as you pull it down, notice it's kind of pulling it up. So that's where you want to find your sweet spot, where it makes it go up like that. So I want it off to the side a little, like that, just a little, and then this one on top. Okay, so just like how you snap your fingers, you go down like this. That's basically what you're doing. And you are gonna aim with like the middle of your forearm. A lot of people say aim with your elbow. Whenever I do that, I miss completely. So I aim for it with like the middle of my forearm. So if I'm going like this, right here is what's gonna hit it. Okay, so let me show you another one here, and then we'll break it down slow-mo. Maybe that'll help you out. But it's really simple. So I'm just holding it like this, and then boom, I just pull it down and snap my fingers. So like so.
Fail number one. That one was pretty good. Now I'm going to do a montage of me flicking this penny at those curtains until I basically get down the logistics. So a little update, I found that it's actually easier if you almost put it towards the tip of your finger and like literally, I'm not even kidding, like put like the edge of your finger or the edge of the penny on your thumb. And then this one, because he did say that like if you can feel like the penny being like this, it's being pushed up, that's where it's going to be going. So I found that if I go like it naturally just like flings that way. So that's where I've gotten so far. Sadly, I won't be able to flick a penny as good as Clint Barton ever did, but I did walk away with my net worth 50 cents cheaper from all the pennies I've lost around my room and my house. This was a really fun video to film, so if you liked it, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, sharing really does help.